Recruiter, you win a placement, you celebrate. Now what? If you go back to chasing the cold lead, you're leaving money on a table because every placement you win can open the door for 10 more placement. Here is how. Every deal you close, show the trend in the market that might there's in this across the industry they have a similar hiring problem issue. Might somebody need to just fill a role? Might somebody have same behind the office challenges they want to fill, but they not know and not aware of that. And the question rises away that do they reach your computer first or you reach them first? That's the thing. Because it's right now it's about not chasing the cold lead with hundreds of emails. It's about finding a pattern in the market, a small, a specific signal, and reaching and just capitalizing that signal. And let me tell you that how it works properly. So, as you know that this is the workflow. What do we do? Every time you win, we run the CRM, find the deal. We use a clay to find 10 similar company. And we find all the details, hiring detail, all stuff, and find the thing and enrich them, and we run the campaign. Let me show you the proper example how it's work. So let's suppose here is an example. Texas AI. It's one of the company right now till they I think they close a massive funding round. And it's in cybersecurity niche right now, and it's probably need hiring help for cyber thing. Now how it's work? This is the clay. This is the orchestration most of people using right now, and this is a very good tool. So what you can do when you have open a clay, just find lookalike audience and use the ocean.io. It's one of the like best to find, and just put. There's not need to do that. Just put the company domain here cleanly. Yeah, and just create a thing, and you can just put the thing how many people you need. I suggest you to just go with the 10, see the write the messaging, see the input how they're responding, and improve that, because it's not we blasting the email to all, it's the finding the trend and specific signal, so we capitalize on that. And we can do a lot of automation here, because the more we filter out the more it work. I'm just going to overview, and after that we run, you get this kind of thing. Let me go to back, because I already run this campaign for thing. And if you find a similar company, that mean they might, the similar company might need, are going to funding, or they might need something to just going for that point. So we can, you can just approach them, and it's not like they definitely need hiring. That's problem. There's a simple thing, but in a 5 to 10 you can find 2 to 3 companies that have a similar case. They might need hiring, and this is finding with narrowing down, and it's finding the right people and just talking with that. And just go to detail. After that find, you just go, because we have a detail like these are the 10 company. Just find all the thing. After that we enrich them. We enrich with their company details, all the prospect what's happened. They have leadership change, a funding round, to understand better on their company. Then when enrich their finding hiring manager, we can, there's another video on that how to find hiring manager. We can go detail on that. And after that finding that, we write the messaging. For writing messaging, I have very clever plan, because when you have that company, this is your business intelligence work on, because right now you have a lot of data in your business you're not using properly. But when you use the business data and draw inside, you get very l- great leverage in your outreach. What you can do, so let's suppose that you have a phantom, you record all the calls, you know that thing. What you can do, after the phantom, you just use Claude, simpler. And you have a Claude connector, just add a phantom. Let's say that get the all the conversation we have, find the hiring pinpoints, what the pinpoint they have, lead list of thing. Write the same after the finding the pinpoint. You can write the same similar messaging copy, because it talk about the language they need, because it's finding the similarity on that, and you can send the email and test with that. It's more customized, and you can use that, and you can go. Now this is one approach after that, and you can just after emailing 2 3 times, what you can do, you can also call them, because you can say, and you can use example of, I send an email, this we have somebody, I want to know that, okay, do we have a same problem, I want to just know. It's just like you just asking the thing, that's not cold pitching, because you say, okay, we have somebody, I mean just want to ask, and it's just create a little bit rapport to just build, just to have a conversation. Now there is another part that's nobody talking about right now, is that after doing that, After 2 3 months, when you place a client, you have a QC call. You can understand, you can find the wins, what company having wins with the candidate, and you can draw that win data and use that data to again reach out to similar company. This is two campaign. After 3 4 months, they have made some win in a top levels scenario. They grow by 5%, 10%, or something change on the round. They reduce something, you get something the win of the hiring. You can collect the data and use that data to just reach out again the similar company. So that's the two campaign on that. Not only that, a lot of you just sending email, but I suggest that if you're running this specific campaign for 10 to 15 people, might just have some percentage record a video. It's convert much more because you have a loom video, people see the loom video, it's easy to consume, and it's great impression. And this is and the way it's changing right now, it's not being, I say that reaching to thousand people. It's reaching a specific people with a specific time frame, with a specific messages, so the chance of converting is better because this look very personal and very thing. And that's all from me. And if you have any question about that, let me know. I've answered that. Have a great day. Bye.